Hello guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the GainX 1000. Using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so just the way we are seeing this, these are actually been on downtrend right from here. You can see so till it got to this region, the pullback broke out from the structure at this point to get to this region. Now it has gotten another pullback. So it is still selling at the moment because it gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal. We expect it, if it breaks out below this, definitely it is still very much on downtrend. But if it breaks out above this, okay, it might be changing, it might be moving towards the uptrend at that particular point. But for now, this is still very much on downtrend and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. Okay, these have been on downtrend for a while, but it actually got to this support zone and it is buying at the moment. Okay, it is buying at the moment. If it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will go back down and see if it can break out below this particular support zone to continue with the downtrend. But for now, it is still buying, okay, until it is unable to break out from here. So this is very, very important. So this is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200, and this had been on downtrend, even though there are major pullbacks in between. But this is still selling at the moment, and we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, give us a downtrend signal at this spot, and of course a sell signal, and it has been selling since then, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, actually we are expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, but after getting to this support zone, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, got to this region, had a pullback, and it's going back up. And of course, we expect it to break out from here. If it breaks out from here, definitely it is still buying at that particular point. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.